Hello everybody. I'm doing this video today so that I can put together something to kind of show Wildfire lifts, what I have car wise and what I have as far as a lift, and kind of explain what I'm looking to do. So here's my newest addition to my little collection. It's a 2005 F-250 with 108,000 miles on it and belonged to a friend of mine. And show you in the interior on this thing. It is insane. Look at that. It's brand new leather, but it's not brand new. It was very well taken care of. Not even dirty. It's crazy. This leather was covered with towels since it was brand new. That's what he did. Driver and passenger seat, covered it with towels. And I like it a lot. It runs really good. My son helped me fix up the 6.0, and so it's running really good now. But anyway, I'll head over to the bear trap and show you what I got there. This is the bear trap. Okay, I'm inside the bear trap. I've got jack shaft operators. So we have clearance in the middle above each door. And here's what I got in here. It's my C10, my Bel Air, 47 Dodge. The body is off of the frame. See what kind of clearance I have up here. I can move these purlins out of the way if I need to. I probably will. Maybe this one, maybe that one. I've got my floor done. Did that last year. It's insulated. See that big old duct over there is heated and cooled. I put LED lights up. And the reason I named it Bear Trap is because when I got that Scout, that Indian Scout over there, I bought a bear trap that's probably well over 100 years old, made by a blacksmith, and it's broken, but it still has handmade chain links and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna hang it up in here somewhere. But hadn't done anything with the walls yet or anything, just to make it look nice. But I've got too much stuff in here. I got some furniture in here, some Bel Air parts, some C10 parts, hunting stuff, the motorcycle as well. And I'm gonna really dress this place up a little bit. And so what I'm thinking is, I'm like everybody else that has classic cars, doing research on 4-post lifts, and that was the idea when I did this, to do 2 4-post lifts in the back, one over there and one over there. But since then I've purchased several more vehicles, and I'd like to get them all in here somehow. The length is 40 feet, the width is 21 and a half, 22. So I've definitely got space for it. I'm gonna move my hunting stuff out of here. So it's just gonna be car stuff. That's what we got. And if any of my followers or subscribers haven't seen it yet, there's the Bel Air. There's the C10. 383 stroker with AC. Got a lot of mods in here. Front section of the frame is brand new with all suspension and brakes and AC. 383 stroker, automatic transmission, shot wheels. It's dirty. Haven't washed it since I got it home. I've actually only driven it one time. Same thing well, actually I hadn't driven this one since I got it home. They both have lots of leaks. That's another reason I want a 4-post lift, because it's a lot of work putting it on the 2-post lifts. I got to get them out of here, pull them in the other side of the garage, and boy, it sure would be nice if these were just already sitting on it and I could do what I need to do. But anyway, it's kind of where we're at, and I'm gonna be contacting the one lift that stands out is Wildfire. A lot of the YouTubers I watch are starting to use them, and the tutorials I've seen on them, the customer reviews that I've seen on them, seems like a good quality product, and I love made in America stuff. So we will see. I'm gonna reach out to them this week, see what we can do. Here's my other toy, my newest purchase. Got this about 4 months ago. Got about 5,000 miles on it now. Not putting too many miles on it, because I just picked up that other F-250 as well. This is 2025. It's got the trimmer package, platinum. It's the high output, 500 horse, 6.7. Put a little drop in bed mat. Keeping my seats covered, even though I don't want to cover them up because they look so darn good. But I'll be doing a review on this pretty soon. I did run into some problems I'll share with you. It's got the massaging front seats, and I guess that's called a moonroof. I don't even know anymore. But I love these lights right here. That's the coolest thing. Probably on the video, probably flickering, but those are really cool. I love the blacked out grill as well. It's supposed to have the shorter piece right there. And I put these on more of a delay, because every time I was getting in and out, they're opening and closing, or going up and down, up and down. My staff bought me these for Christmas, so I'm thinking I'll do that pretty soon. Put those covers on. It'll be taken away from the beautiful platinum leather that's in there, but I don't want to tear them up. I like keeping my stuff nice. So I got the jack shaft operators in here as well, but I've only got about 8-foot ceilings in here. I can't do anything in here. I mean, what am I going to do? Put a 4-post lift and lift it up 1.5 foot? That ain't going to work. And I might put a lift on this truck too, so it wouldn't fit under any of the lifts that Wildfire has, but what it would do is fit on top, because I have 14-foot ceilings in the other building. So anyway, I've got a 4-wheeler and a UTV and stuff I'm thinking about keeping in here, so I can run back and forth to the shop down the hill, and putting this in there in the bear trap with the other F-250. So notice we got heat going in here. It is cold out there. We're in South Carolina, but even my gravel driveway is iced over. We're having a little winter storm. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm going to be reaching out, and I'll probably share this video with Wildfire and just kind of show them what I got, what I'm looking to do, what I'm looking to put on lifts, and see what they say, see what kind of options they have that'll fit my needs, and go from there. See you guys.